Recurrent cold and cough is pretty much normal during winter because during the winter season, our atmosphere becomes very dry. The normal atmosphere becomes dry, which causes all the nasal congestions and all the secretions to happen more than it should actually happen. So that's why we don't get this particular disease in summer season. So a recurrent cough and cold is very, very, very common for winter seasons. The elderly population and the younger population. They are the people who suffer the most during this winter season. And also people who are immunocompromised, they also suffer from this recurrent cough and cold during the winter season. So the elderly population, that is the population above 60, and the younger generation, the kids, mainly between 5 to 7 years of age, they also suffer a lot with this recurrent cough and cold during the winter season. It is pretty tough to undermine a particular organism, which is a causative agent for that. But normally, what we see is this in winter, our immunity goes down. So, once the immunity goes down a bit, it allows the pathogen to enter our body, attack our immune system, and cause this cough and cold. So, I cannot pinpoint on a particular organism that might be the causative agent, but a cluster of organisms can infect a patient during the winter season. Recurrent cold and cough, we can prevent it by following few things that we can do at home. Taking steam at times, that helps us to clear our nasal congestion. Also, you can take warm water, not very hot, lukewarm water for your drinking purposes. That helps you to boost your immunity, which we don't do. So a bit of warm water will help us to increase the immunity that has got reduced a bit due to natural tendencies in the winter season. Also, you can try. You can use the nasal decongestants when and where the problem arises. Otherwise, also regular physical exercises, healthy lifestyle will help us to deter this cough and cold during the winter season. We can use masks. Mask is a good way of reducing them. Also, staying indoors might help a bit, because what happens is that when we go outside, because of the pollution that we have in our country, it often tends to aggravate our problems. Since the immunity is low, it tends to bring in a lot of other organisms inside our body, which might cause us this cough and cold. Also, people who are suffering from chronic bronchitis, or the COPD patient, or the asthma patient, for them, this particular winter season, it is very easy for them to catch this cough and cold, because already their systems are a bit down, and they just aggravate this cough and cold aggravates their problem, and they can present to you in the OPD with complaints of breathlessness or inability to breathe, or maybe occasionally tremors and all these things. Also, what we can do is that we can do a lot of regular exercises. Preferably, we prefer to stay indoors during this time so that we don't get the pathogen. If we have to go out, we advise you to please go with a mask, and also have a healthy lifestyle. Do a lot of physical activity to boost up your immunity. Take all the natural drinks that you have to increase your immunity. Medicines will be required when you get them, but we prefer that you don't get sick. So, in terms of those, yes, use lukewarm water for drinking purposes. That will help you to boost your immunity. Or these are the major things that you can do in order to prevent yourself from recurrent cough and cold in the winter season.